I'm here at Friendly Farms in Sacramento, California today, where we're going to do a wash with the Sambo Pre-Filtration Mesclatore. We're going to be asking our operators lots of questions. Stay tuned. Charles, how many designs did you go through before you got to this one?
Four.
Four?
That's
All right. Over how many years?
3.
3 years.
Yep.
And then does that have like full string on the top?
All right, so what are you going to do it?
We're putting on our work bag right now.
Okay, okay, so 300.
Oh, yeah, 300.
Okay. And your pump is built into the skid? Okay, what's this for?
It's a frame that helps hold the bag in place during the wash.
It's flexible, all these things are like,
Yeah.
okay. So this just keeps it in place when this comes down and it's,
It just holds the bag open.
okay,
We tried a couple designs where the bag was actually outside.
okay.
As you can see, this bag is actually got tabs where this was, but actually these guys here kind of figured out that it was better to do inside. It keeps the bag open, keeps it away from the agitator, and it just works really well. But most importantly, because this bag has a zip on the bottom, when you try to take out the bag, if the harness is actually attached to it, you can't take the harness out. And so this way, you can just pull the harness out, and then the bag can be lifted up with a hoist.
Okay, okay,
So,
all
yeah.
right.
And then this is obviously easier to do when you have it outside of the work area, but you can take this trolley outside of this room and do
And
this.
scoop out if you want.
It's just that in this situation, it's being done here now. You can take this trolley out, like disconnect the pump, and take the trolley out and do this in a place where you have more space. And you could take the trolley where the biomass is.
So it's about 100 pounds.
Okay. So how much flour?
We'll do 40 pounds of flour.
That's totally up to you.
Alright. So you don't necessarily.
What we found is that ice tea approach, because again, we can go into detail on the reason why, but I mean, at the end of the day, the water is most dense at 4 Celsius, and it will not strip or terpenes or whatever else from the biomass. So that's like the optimal temperature for it.
Yeah, because if you're too cold.
And then we have this inlet here. This is to put water into the system.
This is?
It's a sprayer.
Oh,
So you can use that for what they're doing right now, but again, it's a personal preference.
so you would lower the lid and then turn it on to fill.
Yeah, you'll see this in action soon.
Okay. How many gallons do you think?
I think it's about 80 because you have to take into account the ice.
Okay. It's cool. It's hard. I have worries with hard. Very humble. I don't want to be this hard as tomorrow. Osprey really takes for it.
Right.
I do. But this is bigger inside.
Right. And Andrew's mentioned that the ice we're using is going to be like enough for the entire run, which
Yep.
on this side I would
You
use a
top
lot.
off. You top off.
Yeah, if necessary. Usually, like over here, if we do 35 gallons of water, we do 3 buckets of ice. But then every wash after
Like
that.
5-pound buckets or something,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
5 gallon?
Yep.
Yep,
And then
okay.
every wash after is an additional bucket.
So this is my whole goal about this, is that with this being plastic, I think plastic is better insulator. I think it keeps shit cold.
Right,
okay?
right.
So I'm really hyped on seeing how long the ice lasts.
Right.
And it's just so cold in here.